how to model foundation in Revit and how to add rebar to that foundation and how to create a schedule of rebar for that adject foundation. Okay, but before that we get started, I would just like to ask you to like this tutorial. Okay, let's get started. Here I am in Revit, and for this I am just using structural template because this is a structural project. Okay, let's open it up, and here we am. Now if I go to one of these elevation, here you see we got two levels, level 1 and level 2. This is enough for this project. I am just going to level 1, and let's go here to structure, column, select the concrete column. You will see here select the concrete column. So let's select this one, select the height, level 2. Okay, now you can place the column here. Let's set the detail level to fine, make it fine, and once you place this column, just go back to structure. Okay, here select isolated footing, and let's choose the, so we take this one and place in the middle of the column. Now if I go to 3D, this is what we have created. Okay, so I have got one structure column over here and one foundation over here. Now let's start adding rebar to this structural. So how did we do that? For that, first go to the level 1. First we add rebar to the structural column, select the rebar. Here you will see in structural tab, you will see rebar here, select the rebar. Okay, now you select the rebar which you want to place here. Suppose we take this one. Okay, 10 mm, parallel to the cover, near cover reference, parallel to the cover, and we just place over here. Okay, now just select this one and make some edit. We just go and rebar set layout, make it maximum spacing, give spacing 300 mm. Okay, again we go in 3D. Let's see, you can see here, so make it fine so it will visible in detail. Okay, so we have to add running length rebar here. So go in level 1 and select the rebar, and go on the top of this and select M0 and make this perpendicular. Okay, now place this here. Okay, and make this one 16 mm. Okay, now we can mirror it. Select the middle and mirror it. Okay, now go in 3D and you can see. Okay, the running length rebar has been placed here, over here. Now we have done. Let's go in 3D and you can see this one in 3D also. This how it's look in 3D, you can see. Now let's do the foundation here. Okay, go in level 1 and let's create a section. Take a section and just create a section over here. Double click on this to open the section. Okay, so make detail level fine so it will visible clearly to you detail. Let's do the rebar in the foundation. Select the rebar and from here you can go down and select this rebar and place it work plane. Place over here. And make this one 13 mm. Okay, and layout maximum spacing and 150 provide. Let's go in 3D and see how it's look. You can see here. Okay, so we have to place rebar from this side also. So go in level 1 and now just create another section. Okay, open it and now go in the rebar and just place make it fine detail level. Okay, now you can place the rebar over here. Adjust it little bit. Okay, from this side also. And from this side also. Make it little bit up. Okay. Select this one. Make it 13. Layout from single to maximum 150 mm. Okay, let's go in 3D and see how it's look. You can see. Okay, so we got our rebar foundation. So once we have this, now it's time to just create schedule. That's scheduling everything about this drawing. We have go here in view, search for the schedule quantity, click here and search for the structural rebar, little bit down here and okay. we can add type, where we can just search type bar diameter, count, quantity, spacing, okay. Here you can see this bar schedule. Here type, you can see 10 mm dia, bar diameter also you can see, count also see. So in this way you can create schedule of the okay. So that's how you can create structural foundation with proper rebar and bending schedule. Okay, let's set it to realistic view, how it's look, see it. Okay, select all this one, go in filter it, select this structural level and okay. Now go here in visibility, view visibility, and click this one. Oh yeah, that's look really cool. Okay, in this way you can create your foundation rebar. Okay, thank you for today's tutorial. If you like the video, please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.